Hi, I am Agata from NanoSanguis, biotech startup from Warsaw University of Technology, from Professor Czak's group. We are a team of 8 people. We have 5 scientists and 3 business developers. We have first round of funding and developed technology for our key product, which is organ storage system. Our dream is to reverse current situation when the patients are for the organs. We want to make organs wait for the patients and provide organ continuous supply chain around the world. We can do this by creating an organ farm where we can store organ from donors much longer than it is possible now. And for the very first time, we know how to do this. Organ for survival needs oxygen, glucose, and natural heat. In commercially available systems, they don't get any of this. In NanoSanguis, we developed synthetic substance which can act as a blood outside the body and supply organ with the oxygen, glucose, and by using a device which could pump this substance through natural vascular system of the organ, we can maintain natural environment. And it will give us time and a huge amount of possibilities. We believe that in our device, organ could not only survive for a month, but also could regenerate. So every organ from donor, in any shape, also damaged, could be stored, regenerated, and successfully transplanted. We are at the beginning of preclinical trial, and we need $15 million and 8 years to get to the market. The market is estimated, for transplantations is estimated for $400 million, but it is limited by amount of organs. How would market look like if it would be limited by amount of organs? For sure, it's a big cookie worth to bite, and I strongly encourage you to bite it with me. Thank you for your kind attention. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions and meet you after.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, 4 minutes for the judges.
So, how defensible is your technology once you develop it? Do you think this will be something that you will have many competitors on the market, or can you be, the only company supplying this to the market for some time?
Well, this is a difficult question. I think that the technology for organ storage was developed approximately 20 years ago, and since that time, nobody have developed any breakthrough solution. We are the first group with this idea, so I believe we can defend this product for a long time on the market if we would have strong patent for this.
Okay, so do you know if there are other groups or teams working on something similar, or you're...
Yes, there is a team, Transmedics in US. This is a company which products equipment for organ storage. And as a perfusion fluid, they are using donor blood. So they obtain an organ and a blood from the donor. But the disadvantage of this solution is that blood isn't stable during long time, and it also contains some religious matters, ethical matters, and bacteria and viruses contamination risks.
Thank you.
I think such a project is worth being invested, even if there is a small chance for a success. And that's my question: does the technology the technology was already tested? You are sure that you will succeed to implement it by 2024? Yeah. And then the second question is connected the same with the roadmap that you showed. Why do you need still 8 years to be able to ship it?
Okay, so the second question, we need 8 years because clinical trials need to include long evaluation of the long effects on humans. So we need time and wait for these late effects to be evaluated. And in
The
case
first
of
question, yeah.
first question,
Is it already? Are you sure that it works?
yeah, we have proof of concept, yes, but we can't say it until we have first clinical probes. But
Okay.
we strongly believe
Strong
that
belief, yeah.
it will
Thank you.
work.
You said the market size is $400 million. Is it worldwide or Europe or what? And how did you calculate that?
This is a number taken from the web, and this is hard data from the transplantations around the world. But as I said, it is estimated. It can be easily estimated because it's limited by the amount of organs, and the organ exchange and supply chain is strongly regulated and controlled. So that's why it can be easily estimated. But as I said, it is limited by the amount of organ, and we don't know how it will be look like if it be limited by the amount of patients. But the hard data are that in US nowadays there are 120,000 people waiting for the life-saving transplant.
Okay, thank you. That was 4 minutes.